Yo, how's it going, fam? Welcome back. This is going to be a live trade that I will go ahead and walk you guys through as far as this trade itself. So I'm looking for selling positions, and the selling positions I'm looking at from where the currently is right now. Now, I have already entered on these selling positions from up over here, but for now, I want to just show you guys how this would be looking on a live account, on a live trade. So we'd be looking for about 19 pips TP, always looking for a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio first. So we'd be looking for the 1 to 3 risk reward ratio over here. We'll be looking for that TP to hit. And that 1 to 3 risk reward ratio is about a 56 pip TP. That's gonna be a first TP, leading us for levels. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the levels right here. So this is gonna lead us for this level right here of 1.41045. Next one is going to lead us for a bigger risk reward, which is going to be potentially leading us for a 1 to 15 risk reward down into levels of 1.38675. That's going to be for a 1 to 15. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark these up right here. 1 to 15 risk to reward. And I'm going to be keeping you guys updated with these trades so you guys can see how they went. Okay, so that's a 1 to 15. This is going to be a 1 to 3 risk to reward. And we're going to be looking for a bigger TP, right? We're going to be looking for a swing TP all the way down to bigger time frames such as the weekly and daily time frame. So this is also going to be a 1 to 45 risk to reward. So let me go ahead and put this over here for a 1 to 45 risk to reward right into the zone. 1 to 45 risk to reward. Let me go ahead and put that 1 to 45 risk to reward. And I'm going to show you guys as far as why the entry, right? And why we're looking for these risk to reward ratios, leading us next for a potential nice 1 to 100 risk to reward down into this level of 1.22175. And finally, leading us to a overall risk reward down into these levels over here. So let me just go ahead and move this over for you guys. Let me zoom in a little bit so I can grab this. And hopefully we can see market potentially take us to a 1 to 30 risk reward down into these levels right over here. It's going to be at 164.50. And this is going to be leading us for a 1 to 30, 1 to 130 risk to reward. And this is a 1 to 100 risk to reward. 1 to 100 risk to reward. Now the reasoning is to me taking this trade is based because on the weekly we're able to see a market order flow going to the downside. Now all of this right here was a complex pullback, therefore it was just noise. Come into a specific zone where we can go ahead and lower it down to lower time frames such as the 1 hour, 15, and 5 minute, where we're able to actually see divergence coming in play and overall institutional movements as well. Now, as I had mentioned, I had already entered the entries over here for my original entry. However, there are other entries right here that can be taken, and stop loss is not a big stop loss. It's a pretty small stop loss for this specific pair, which is GBP USD. 19 pip stop loss. On mine, I was able to go ahead and put a 12 pip stop loss. However, I just want to show you guys as far as how the entry was able to be placed. We'll go ahead and keep you guys updated for that 1 to 3 risk reward ratio trade once it hits. And as far as these next lessons I'll be doing once it hits, the following TPs, I'm going to show you guys as far as what it is that I do when it hits those levels and why it is that I do what I do. Now, however, understand that I am looking for a shift in momentum from the bigger time frame. So therefore, before I look into a shift in momentum on the bigger time frame, I have to look for that shift in momentum on the smaller time frame. In this case scenario, I need to see that shift in momentum happen on the 5 minute time frame first. We're still not in that area. However, we have created significant points where it can go ahead and give me ideas for market to then continue pushing down. So as soon as I see market push down into a zone, it will go ahead and help me identify that market is now going to continue